Session 12.
Quite. Police were 13 last, no?
Nah.
Yes.
I will get 11.
You said 11, ne? 13 guy. Marika received. Because Coppola go with this hour 13 today. And then I wrote
11.
11 we said that other week. But no, on our live, last live, you said 13, then I wrote 13. So no, it means it's 14. Then it could be a lower end, but I do have some few ones. Arvo, how did you go? Didn't some.
I didn't.
Question, get a question. What's happening? Oh, why have the memo question is from the summer. And maybe give me the one, eh? Six, 7, 8. Question 8, the graph of x. A graph of x, ax, this, it's sketched below, cut it, and not to scale, okay, here and here, now we have this, right? Then now, the point A is 2 in this local maximum turning point, okay, we have it. Then B is the x-intercept. They explain everything that we see here. D is the local, the point of inflection, the second derivative here, right? Then 6, 1.1, the value of A and B. How did you go about it? First derivative, then equated to 0 or yeah. You did the second one. The first one you left it here, ne? The first one you left it here, and then you did the second one, and then found A and B. The first equation, the second equation was this. Or this is the first one, ne? The second one, where is it? Oh, you came here. You sub this 6A into the original equation.
Yeah.
And then then what is this? Write this first before I will call it this one AX or AX. So we have two unknowns here. Then you said these two unknowns are equal to this. Yet you found B in terms of BA. But B is the what you were looking for. Or you were just trying out things. Okay? The way. Okay. Oh no, let's see how you were supposed to approach it. Right? Question 6. Firstly, they said calculate A and B. What are A and B? A and B is this intercept, right? Or what? Values of A and B. Get coefficient. It's A. Oh, equation. They're not talking about the capital B. They're not talking about the capital A. They're talking about this one's coefficients. So looking for coefficients, you have to use points. Right? You can sub points originally straight here, the y and the x. Then you'll be left with b and x. That's before I look at this. That's my first instinct that I will apply.
B and X.
No, what I'm saying is you have this equation, right, which is this, right? Then we have points that they told us about. Right? Then barabata A and B. When you look at A and B, you have AX, BX, 2, 4x minus 20, right? You have the y, which is the y-intercept. You have the x, which is the x-intercept. You have A and B, which are the things that you are looking for. You are given this point. How about you sub points here? You'll be left with one equation that has A and B. X will be substituted, y will be substituted. If we are not together, let's try to look at it.
Together.
Together. Oh, so if you're together, then if you sub this 2 into x, ne? And then y will be 0, right? You'll be left with this whatever number times a, whatever number times b. The rest will be numbers. That will be your first equation. Then you look for another point. How can you find that point? You have this. You can use this first derivative, get the second derivative, sub point. After you sub,
the same point,
yes, that point it's still on this very same function. Then it will eliminate your x's and your y's. You'll have your a and b. The very same way you have your a and b, right? Then you try to work it out. That's the first approach. The second approach is looking at 3 points. You have this intercept, you have this intercept, you have this one. Here, x is 0. Here, y is 0. Here, y is 0. However, then it tells you a lot of information that you can use. Right, so first derivative, sub the point, which is the second step that you and I did. Okay? The first step might be here. Actually, this is the first step. So we didn't start here. We started here. Then we were about to go here. Right? So right now, so if we substitute that point 0 into the original graph, I want this one. So 0a is this one. X squared, it's 2 cubed. Whatever. Then after they sub, they have that equation here, which is the final equation, right? Then they will have another one will be this one of the first derivative, finding the local minimum, which is it's like this one. It's trying to find this point, right? If you do the first derivative, you equate it to 0 like this. You will find the first derivative, right? You'll find the local turning point and the local minimum, right? And then you have that equation. We go to more well. Then you go to another thing. You have 2 of them now, but that this one, which is this, then this one, which is coming from this. Then both of them, you have A and B. X and Y's are eliminated, right? Because of you have those points. Now you can work around substituting this. Make sense?
Yeah.
More, they even went to as far as like looking at this and substituting it here, because that's the like I gotta move when you are this one is just like this, the tangent. Then when you look for the minimum, you equate it to 0, then this gradient becomes 0, then it becomes flat. When it becomes flat, you have the turning point, your local turning point, and you have your minimum. Well, Git. You wanna ask something? Okay, this one. Okay, this one. Okay, the original one in our line. It's fine. If hella, in the terms we tell on, I think is this first one. The first derivative, the way you did it, your first approach it, you did the first derivative, then you left it like this. You were supposed to say after this first derivative, which is your gradient, your this one first derivative means your gradient, but you want to find your points where the gradient is for your gradient f of x where it is 0. That's where I'm explaining from. It was like this, which is positive. When it's like this, it's 0. When it's like this, it's negative slope. You get my point?
Yeah.
So now you set the first derivative equals to 0, then that's the starting point. Then you're looking for this point where it is turning. It's no longer going up because the slope it's changing its position. Then when you get here, you do the second derivative. You can even take on this one and do the second derivative. Just that only e is the point of inflection. You don't have any, unless if you use this one. If you derive this thing twice, you're gonna have the parabol, because all of these things will go away. This one you will have more of it because of that last power. Why one?
Yeah.
Then after that, you know, okay, this one is 0, I think. And that's where the whole thing is stationary. Then it changes direction, concave up, concave down.
I appreciate
My baby, it's a pencil case. I don't know. Should let you get it out. The way he did, because you started it like this, a very same way. You can write it here. It's fine.
Weird.
Just for you, then for the formal thing, but it was really like oh, was and then wait for the whole thing. Then hey, it will be separated there. Then your book will be somewhere. And also, then I don't want to have that thing. Just share it here. I don't know. In the meantime, while you do this, I should search for a fresh question. Yeah, Napoli. Petrol is very 60, mama, and 68. And right violent your f into 2. This thing means it's 0. This one I get is f of f prime, where x is now, the point is 2, then your y is gonna be 0. It's weird. more. Okay. Oh, it's all on me. Oh, 48 minus 20. That's 28. It's like what? I really know. Give us some likes and subs. Stop talking nonsense. Yeah, what I thought Maria
Right.
Why
You
what?
could.
Can you name those two equations so that you can one and two? So that like when you get it identity.
Oh, yeah. Oh, got my dial.
6.2 k and run on we win again. Oh, it is 0 and 4, negative 0 and 2, negative 0 again, and we win again. Momo x intercept. But that's this one. Okay, after first derivative. Okay, no more. It is still into original equation. If you let x 0, what's happening? 0, 0, 0. Then we have that's 20. Then why you I'm trying to find out why this one becomes so difficult for you.
Are you sure? In B, yeah.
6.2 coordinates of B, which is 1 mark. Then I said, if you let x equals to 0, then you're gonna have your y, which is 20. Why do they have minus? Because y is already on the other side. It does not make sense to me. You see, B. Oh, they say B. Mara, I'm seeing.
Why?
Oh, there's something wrong here about you then. No. Right, yeah. This one you must change. It's negative, not positive. Hey, that mistake is coming back. Mistake book. That's why I gave it to my serious match. And now I see it's no longer, it's not the eyes. It's like the way you write in. Sometimes you write without looking. Nora Tomanas, let's go. Tell us you must get I don't know why but because of more, we nearly made a big mistake here. Positive, negative. That's why I carry from the onset that this one, why is it giving me positive 20 and then when we have negative? Then why more do we have negative 4 or 1? I want to understand the way you were thinking that time. You don't remember. Why? Why do you work for? Oh, you took it from this This calculations out him. No, I don't think so. Yeah, 1 mark inspection. Or what is what 2, 3, 4. Eh? The number man get I like something I understand or why. Then so what's super not too scale. Not too scale sharp, let's not this time. 6 point chocolate one no not of it. You can write your exploration if you like it does not this one. 6.3 coordinates of C. How can you find C? Because you like y x intercept. You get y equals to 0. You substitute you get y equals to 0. Then you're gonna right. This assumes that you have gotten the first one right. What up, guys? Hello, Cynthia. Am I boring you, my mate? You have a problem with me, German. I'm starting to dislike you. Isaac. Probably is very chat. Also respond while you are live. You will respond to it later when you are done. Sometimes. I'm looking at how you write and then assess sharp. If it was you, how would you take out the common factors here? I got what I want to remember. X to the power 3. How would you? No, you never. Yeah. And then what we derive because no more sort x intercept. These are factors that you need to find. And when you are used to this one, the quadratic 9 squared plus 2x minus 20. Now we have this. You have to use Pascal's triangle or some method. The one I'm working with, they didn't even show you how they got here. 2x squared minus 7x plus 10. Or we did have a derivative. And then quadratic. And then how fits it? It will want us to test it. X squared. And we want to run the coefficients of 9, 24. You don't yell. 2 times this is 20. 7 minus 7 plus 10. How are we getting 24? Or C. Yeah. Which one? It's hard. Which one? Yeah. Okay, sharp. So no, how about you? Like about Talim and then you come like the first principle one, yeah? You say this one 3x squared minus 18x plus 24. Then you'll find the factors. Then after finding factors, where's that? Yeah, left with the third one. I got more than 1, 2, 3. 3 roots. Then when you derive, you're gonna have 2 roots, which might be this and this only. But this one you can only find it by deriving and equating to the 0. This is your local maximum. Then what is your local minimum? Still 0. You equate to 0. I got all the proof of your thing. We just did this. Couple of words say how, and then a reborn. I got like we just testing out whether it's right or wrong. It's okay. We just try, or like if you were to find this question and you were to attack it in this way, how would you approach it? I will be the one doing it for you, but like why won't it needs to be on you testing it, and you are the one who's going to be using this method to test your method in the exams. So in what I like about maths is that no matter what method you use, it'll always, if it's right, it'll always take you to the best and the consistent answer. Then it's the X are really fast leader. This is basically what we are here. We need to be finding this, right? Here. This is the statement. Here we are here or here. That's how it is. Like first derivation of the function is the maximum, local minimum, turning point. The second one is the point of inflection, which is E. That's the equation there. X coordinate of this you're gonna find by just doing the second derivative. This one you know, we did it before. You remember that? Then this one again, 3x. You can divide by 3 if you want. All of it, then you have left with x. My student is shy today. I don't know what's happening. You need to try out things. I got the whole one. Say that, yeah. Go be a pepe. I'm going to stay to so one more over here. It's not like it's just art. You guys want some lighting? Lighting. I know you guys are obsessed with lighting. Yeah, I want a sharp on it. So yeah, it's more easy. Yeah. I feel like I'm teaching you, but like when hold on now, we're like I was so depressed, like with your mics. I'm like, and then the problem is not that you don't understand. You do. Ne? Yeah. How much did you get? What are your factors? What's that close? When I factors are 8, 2 and 4, yeah. Which when you add them, they will give you. This needs to be negative. So that it can be minus 4x plus minus 4x minus 2x, then it will give you 6x. Then when you say 4 times 2, then it will give you 8, but the 8 that is positive, this one should be negative. Then foil it back and see if are you getting the very same thing. This times this, are you getting this middle part? Yes. And then if you multiply this 2, are you getting this last part? Yes. Then all your solutions are perfect. Then it means this one is one of the solutions that we have here is going to be positive x and 0. This one is going to be positive 4 and 0. So it means it's this one. Now, You have proved your method. Why were you afraid? She's afraid of her own marks. You're afraid of your own distinction. Stop being afraid of your own potential. You have so much potential. Believe in yourself. When you look at yourself in the mirror and say, I believe in myself. What is, we're going to reveal our goal. Our goal is to get here to 98%. And then what is the one that we're going to fall on? 89. No 70s here. So right now we have 7 people and we have 3 likes. Maybe she might get 73. Who knows? Or
37.
no ways, no 37. Give us some likes. We just proved it. Sharp, that one. Yeah, these are the 2 ones. I get. So then we found what 2 roots, which is this, which is this and this. The turning points. Not the turning points, one. The factors. What am I saying? The factors. So it's this one, this, and this. This is 4. So this might be 3.
Over 4. A4.
1. 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Oh, cause only C. Only way I think here. This one. Yeah. Oh, that's what they used. Oh, they have 2 of them that are the same, which we have 1. Then this one. There's no way. They used. We have this and this. It's 20 already. Minus 20. Then if we have minus 7, okay, we have minus. Okay, we have this. Hey, we have this and this, which is positive x. Then we have minus this. We have minus 3. Then we need to get it to 24. I don't know. Just try to do this and prove it to him. Stay away from their method up until you understand your own thing. Then you'll take it from there. And then now already say where is this for? I want to read this minus 4 and 4. So our x we did for me this positive 4. So it means somehow we are right. Why we close? And level on 5 is still right.
Yeah, we're right.
Let's do this. Peace out. We'll see you guys soon.